Guys, come here. Come here. Let me talk to you real quick. Stop falling for the wrong things. The reason why you guys are never going to be successful in trading is not because I don't believe in you, or I think you're not good enough, or 95% of traders fail. It has nothing to do with that. It's because your expectations are way too unrealistic. All the stuff you see online, the girls, the cars, the money, you guys, it's not sustainable through the avenues in which you're pursuing. Is it achievable? Absolutely. But it's not as easy as you think. Do the math. I live in Canada. A Lamborghini Huracan is at least 300K. In order for you to afford a car like that, you'd have to put a massive amount down, even with good credit, and you would have to have a good, 10K almost a month just to pay for the car. That's without insurance. That's without your regular expenses. That's without a lot of things. And here you are thinking that you're going to get into trading and you're going to be able to make over 10K a month. Even if you have $1 million account, it's still going to be very difficult. And you're going to be able to do that month after month after month. You guys are not taking into account losing streaks, bad months, or different seasons and market conditions. You're not taking into account all the things that comes with life outside of trading. Here's my best advice to you, and here's why I'm doing the video. I'm not trying to discourage you by saying you'll never make it. No, you absolutely will. But the challenge is the way you're looking at things is affecting the way you're trading. You have too much emotional investment into your account because you think it's your only ticket out. I'm going to get a payout. Then I'm going to change my family's life. Then I'm going to be rich because I saw so-and-so who used to, take out the trash, or he used to work in a factory, or he used to be a construction worker, or he used to be a nurse, and now he has XYZ, or she has XYZ. Guys, stop comparing yourselves to other people. The second I started to take a step back and just take trading for what it was, that's when I saw profitability, and that's when I started to see success. And the reason why this is because then you look at the market with clarity. I used to, whenever I was getting close to getting funded or getting a payout, you know what I would do? I would force trades because I need to make this money. And this happened to me a couple days ago. In fact, on Friday, and today is what, Saturday? On Friday, because I came off of a really good winning streak and I have really big goals for December financially, right? From trading, because I'm trying to push myself. I started looking for setups that weren't there. This happens a lot. I'm not blaming you guys. I'm saying I do this. And maybe this might help someone else. It's not for everybody. I don't want you to watch this video and be like, oh, how dare you? Just because you failed doesn't mean I'm going to fail. You're right. I'm not projecting my issues on you. I'm saying if I could be of any help to you, it would be to tell you the truth. And the truth is you're putting too much pressure on yourself with a lot of things. This one account is going to get you started, but it's not going to solve all your problems. You got to take it a step at a time. There's a reason why I have 9 accounts now and I'm using trade copiers. It's not easy. Getting a payout is one part. Maintaining this life through this is very difficult. Those of you who know me and have been on my channel, you know one thing about me. I sustain myself through business and I use trading to grow some parts of my money and explore different things. And I do different things with trading. But trading is not my main income. And I thank God it's not, because I'd be too stressed to turn it into what it needs to be. Now, for some of you, you can do it. For me, my psychology, it's a little different. So I'm sharing this with you to say, if you want the Lambos and the homes and stuff, it takes time. Take it from me. I have businesses and my wife and I are making good money. But even with the money we're making, in addition to all the streams of incomes we got, we couldn't just go and buy a Lambo, even though the money's technically there to kind of go that route. You see what I'm saying? It's not, you don't just go and pick up a Lambo or go and buy a multi-million-dollar mansion. There are things that you have to put in place, because making money is one thing, sustaining and keep making money, sustaining and the ability to keep making that kind of money is another. And that's why people, when they start a business, they hire employees and put systems in place, because if it was just on them, the business would collapse. You need things that help you do that. And so here's what I can recommend without making this video too long. Number 1, find a supplementary income or supplementary income. What does that mean? Find something that subsidizes or takes care of your personal needs so that trading can be what it is for now. Don't use trading as your golden ticket to Willy Wonka's house. It's not going to work. You need to understand that the markets and trading itself is an accelerator of growing capital. And growing capital, whether it's through business or trading, they all have fundamentally very like almost identical underlying things that you must conquer and adapt to and acquire before you can do that. So don't make this your one-way ticket. Understand it's a step to your one-way ticket. If you pass a funding challenge, let's say you're in Nigeria. I have a lot of brothers in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa. Shout out to my people from Bangladesh. You guys know Netherlands, South Africa. I have people from all over the world. Shout out to all of you guys. Let's say you're in Nigeria. Let's say in Nigeria, and I don't know, don't come in at me and be like, that money is nothing in Nigeria. How dare you are? Like, it's not that deep. I'm just using an example, and it's just me and, just imagining things. Let's just say you get a 10K account, and that 10K account can help you with monthly things. That's a good start. What you do, everybody knows this, you divide the money you're making into 3. First off, if you're a Christian, you got to give your tithes and offering first. You give your tithes and offering, then the rest you divide it into 3. You put some away for a rainy day, you put some back into your business, you're trading something that can bring you more money, and then the other one, you decide what to do with it. Whether you're going to long-term invest, whether you're going to start another business, you do what you want with that, but you divide your money and you go from there. Everything is gradual. We're in a society and in an era where we're being taught that everything can happen overnight because my neighbors. Anyways, we're in a society where we're being taught that because we saw somebody start a site, and then make 100K in one day, that's going to be us. That's a very rare occurrence. For the vast majority of us, we're just going to have to grind it out. So have actionable steps you can take, and then take those steps and everything will fall in place. When I started this year, I had really skewed expectations, and then I scaled them back, and I started to realize I'm just going to let the trades appear and take them and see what happens. And what happened was the year started off a bit slow, but midway through the year, things started to pick up rapidly. The market will present itself with opportunities, and if your mind is clear enough, you will find them. But don't rush the process. Just like going to school and becoming a doctor or a lawyer or a judge, whatever, everything takes time, and it takes a series of consistent, committed actions with sacrifices before you can hold that paper, certificate, trophy, medal, whatever it is that you're looking for. Before you can obtain it, it requires these things. So I just want to share that with you guys. It's not to bash or shut down your dreams. Sometimes you see this stuff and people are like, oh, you're just telling me that because you're a failed trader. That's why. It's like, no, it's not about being a failed trader. It's just about presenting realistic expectations for you. Can you get to the millionaire status? Absolutely. Will that happen overnight? No. So I would say stop putting too much pressure on yourself and saying, oh yeah, without me, my sisters and brothers won't eat. Calm down. God is in heaven. Takes care of all of us. Do what you can. Worry about what you can control. And if you really want to feed your brothers and sisters, then make sure you're disciplined. It's your discipline that will not only feed them, but keep them fed. All right. So with that being said, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat beneficial to you. Let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. As always, I love each and every one of you beautiful traders. Don't forget to join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you lovely people in the next one. Peace.